Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Mito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
When people think of Dodge, they often imagine roaring engines, muscle cars, and that adrenaline rush. But reliability? That's not the first thing that comes to mind. Despite Dodge's reputation for power and performance, the brand also has some gems that are known for being reliable. So today we'll explore the top 10 most reliable Dodge cars. Let's jump right in. Number 1. 2020 Dodge Charger. The 2020 Dodge Charger is a car that packs muscle with dependability. With an impressive reliability score of 89 out of 100, it ticks all the boxes. It's a family-friendly sedan with a range of Hemi 5.8 engines that still offers a thrill. In 2020, even during the pandemic, Dodge managed to sell 77,426 units of this powerful machine. Number 2. 2016 Dodge Challenger. The Dodge Challenger, particularly the 2016 model, is not just famous for its power, but also for its reliability. This model scores 86 out of 100, making it a solid option if you're after a used muscle car. What makes it stand out is the combination of performance and value for money, as it costs significantly less than newer models. Number 3. 2007 Dodge Dakota. Looking for a reliable truck that's compact but packs a punch? The 2007 Dodge Dakota is just that. This mid-size truck comes with a V8 engine and boasts a towing capacity of 6,850 pounds, making it perfect for both work and play. It has a solid reliability rating of 86 out of 100, meaning it's built to last. Although the Dakota was discontinued in 2011, it still has a loyal fan base. Number 4. 2017 Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango is a spacious, powerful SUV that combines luxury and reliability. The 2017 model stands out with a reliability score of 83 out of 100 and is equipped with the well-known 5.7-liter Hemi engine. It's a durable SUV that offers space for the family while giving you that Dodge power under the hood. Number 5. 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. The 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 is a truck known for its power, but it also scores high in reliability. With an 83 out of 100 rating, this third-generation Ram can tow up to 8,750 pounds, and it comes with strong engine options like the 5.7-liter Hemi 5.8. If you're after a reliable and affordable truck, this is a great pick. Even years later, it still holds up as a solid option for truck enthusiasts. Number 6. 2007 Dodge Ram 2500. If you need even more towing power, the 2007 Dodge Ram 2500 offers an impressive 13,050-pound towing capacity. With a reliability score of 81 out of 100, it's a durable option for those who need a workhorse on the road. Powered by a 5.7-liter Hemi 5.8, this truck is a beast when it comes to handling heavy-duty tasks. Number 7. 2012 Dodge Caliber. Though not the most exciting car Dodge has ever made, the 2012 Dodge Caliber is reliable. It scores 80 out of 100 in reliability and offers decent performance for a compact hatchback. The Caliber is a great choice if you need a simple, reliable car that's easy to maintain. Plus, it's based on the Mitsubishi platform, which adds to its durability. Number 8. 2014 Dodge Journey. The Dodge Journey might not have had the best start, but by 2014, it had improved significantly in reliability. With a 79 out of 100 rating, this crossover SUV is both spacious and dependable. It's ideal for families, and thanks to its reliable engine options, it's a great used car choice for those who need room without compromising reliability. Number 9. 2009 Dodge Avenger. The 2009 Dodge Avenger may not be the most glamorous car, but it's one of Dodge's reliable sedans. With a reliability score of 79 out of 100, It's a sturdy vehicle that can be found for a reasonable price in the used car market. Dodge designed it to be the everyday hero car, and it certainly lives up to that by offering solid reliability for budget-conscious buyers. Number 10, 1994 Dodge Ram. Finally, the 1994 Dodge Ram is a classic truck that has stood the test of time. With a consumer reliability rating of 4.7 out of 5, it's one of the most dependable pickups Dodge has ever made. It was also the first truck to feature a V10 engine. This model paved the way for the modern luxury trucks we see today, and even after decades, it remains a reliable choice for truck lovers. So, whether you're looking for a muscle car, SUV, or truck, Dodge has proven that it can deliver reliable vehicles that stand the test of time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on the best cars out there. Thanks for watching.